Hi, this is Ian at Wirral Computer Services. So this is that Toshiba the P300 that's ready for the installation now, and the CD driver's been replaced on it. Now, what I said before was I was going to put a Linux-based system on it because I wanted to save them the cost of paying for a Windows license for Windows. But I reckon that this machine will probably take Windows 7 as a system requirement to actually meet the minimum. So what I'm going to do is going to add Windows 7 to this machine. But first, I'm going to clear the hard drive, format the hard drive because it's corrupted, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I've got Ultimate Boot CD, so I'm going to use Ultimate Boot CD. So turn the machine on. Press F12 and open the door. Put the Ultimate Boot CD in. Okay. So we're going to open from the CD DVD drive. Okay. Now we've got a live system where we can do formatting, etc., and test the system. It's a Linux-based program called Cartridges. We're going to run that. Run it on default settings, which is bringing up the RAM. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm still going to give the customer a copy of Jolie. I'm going to put it onto a CD. The lovely thing about Jolie is that it allows you to run Jolie on different machines, on any machine, as long as you've got it on a USB or you've got it on a CD. I don't want to flog them another USB drive, so I'm going to give them a CD. And then they can make the decision that way. They can make the decision as to whether they want to pay for a license and continue to use the Windows that I'm going to put on now, or whether they want to, if they don't want to pay that license, they can install Jolie on the machine and then just erase, format Windows, get rid of it, and put Jolie on its own independently. Because if you have an independent machine, if you have all your files on, etc., you can go then to another machine, put the disk in, run Jolie on that machine in a live, without installing it, you run it live, and then that allows you then to use all your files and everything wherever you are. It's good, isn't it? Otherwise, I mean, there are people that will charge you for the service of using your files in different areas of the world, different places. But these Linux programs, they allow you to do that for free. And, you can download them off of Linux's website. You don't have to do anything. Free to use, free to share. You can do what you want with them. Okay, so part of Magic is loading now, and it's just spat out with this. Okay. Now remember, we had a warning earlier on saying that one of the components was broken, wasn't working correctly. So on here you've got disk health, and we'll click that, and you probably can't see it, but it says no drive selected. Select, and it's passed. Spot on, no problems. So we'll go into partition editor. And truth be told, I've already partitioned this now. I did it before, come back. So I want to show you how you do it. You select each partition and then delete all those partitions. Then you select the unallocated space and click new, and then you right click it and click format and format the drive, and that cleans it. So we've got format 2, and there's all these different systems for storing the data. Windows 7 uses NTFS. We're going to click NTFS. There's one operation is pending, so when that's pending you press apply. Warranty. You're going to lose all your data. Press OK. Very, very rapid this as well. There you go, done. Formatted. Close. Yeah. Get rid of that. So shut it down. Okay. Now before, it came up with Vista, 2 options for Vista. That's gone now, and it's just loading up as if it's empty, there's nothing on there. No bootable device, insert boot disk, press enter, pressing the key. Okay? So next thing I want to do is I want to test whether it's going to be able to take Windows 7. Windows 7 I've got here is the 64-bit version. So that's what I want to make sure it can take. I've got the Windows 32-bit version as well, if need be. Put in our boot CD again. So go to System, and then go to Hardware Detection Tool. Go to that, click Enter. Okay, so PCI devices. The disk. There's only one disk. Disk 1. Partitions. Master boot record is for Windows. It's a PCI SATA. 149.04 gig or 156.29 gigabytes. So memory, it's showing 956 megabytes protected. I'm going to run the test on it. Okay, so memory shows you exactly what the memory is. Okay, so that's actually 1 gig RAM, 956 megabytes is 1 gig stick. Okay, so when Windows says you need 1 gig of RAM, you put 1 gig of RAM into a machine, it will never read 1024 megabytes, which is a gig. So it will read below that. It's complicated. So processor because this is a 64-bit version of Windows that I want to install on there. It needs to be dual core, which it is. CPU cores 2. Okay. x84-64, yes, so it supports 64-bit mode. So excellent. So we're happy with that. That'll be grand. So let's close this down. There we go. Hang on. We can take our Ultimate Boot CD out. Put in our Windows 7 disk. So Windows is loaded, so now it's giving me info. Change the keyboard to United Kingdom layout. And change the time and date format to United Kingdom. Language is defaulted at English anyway. Now. It's not the fastest laptop in the world. There we go, space. Okay, so it's showing that there's one partition on there. So we go to drive options. Format this drive. Already formatted it, but that partition. Super. So it's 149.0 gigabytes. So 150 divided by 2 is 75. So it's 74.5 gig. For half the gig. I've got a number here, and I'm going to divide that by 2. Just set me maths by adding the 2 figures I've got there together. That's 6, that's 2, that's 6, that's 12. Yeah, so my maths says that half of the drive that's shown there, which is 152,626, divide that by 2 is 76,313. So 76,313 apply. Okay, so that question was that. So partition 1 is reserved. Partition 2, new, all available space, fine. That's partition 3, reserved a little bit. So we select this partition 2. Click next. The reason that I've done a partition half and half is so that they can set up a backup into that D drive, what will be known as the D drive. That will be the backup, their backup, and so if they want to reinstall Windows at a later date because there's a problem, they only have to install it on that partition, and I'll show you that. I'll show you how that works when I finish the installation. Okay, so you don't have to do anything once it's setting up. You don't have to touch anything, and it installs it and unpacks all the files, and then it will restart and it goes through a screen like you've just seen there. So we'll go on to the file button, click that. Go to computer there. And we've got local C drive, local D drive, and the Windows. Right click on local disk drive. Go to rename, call it data. That's the method. I'm going to put this in there. So it's data D now. Super. we'll go into the control panel. System and security, back up your computer. Create a system image. Looking for backup devices. Won't find any. Data D. This is the drive that I've allocated. So we'll click next. Following drives will be backed up to reserve as a system. Start backup. Go on to this as well. So now that backup is done, it's asking me if I want to create a system repair disk, and I think that I think we will do one, yeah. So it's a good bonus for the customer. So it's completed the making the system repair disk, and it tells you to label it precisely as it says there. Okay, which is repair disk. Windows 7 64-bit. What this disk does, it helps you to repair problems on your operating system, and it also allows you to restore from that backed up image that we put on there. But should you for whatever reason not get any success with that, you can just use your installation disk, and I'm going to demonstrate how. Let's just reload the computer now. There's your Windows image backup file there. Yeah, it's updated now. So it's used exactly the same, pretty much, more or less the same. Close that. Okay. We'll do a restart here. Put the Windows disk in. Not the repair disk, the installation disk. Wrong with Windows. You've tried the repair disk, you can't get anything working, or you don't have a repair disk, but you've got a backup on either a zip drive or nobody uses zip drives anymore, on a external hard drive, or you've got a USB or something like that, or DVDs. You've written your backup onto a DVD or whatever. What I'll show you here is because we've done that partition, we've got those two partitions on the same drive. One is your data, that's for your backing up. So we'll load from the CD. Windows installer starts. Ask you to click, say you want to go through with it. So yeah, just click anything. Okay, so now we've got the Windows installer window that we saw earlier on. That's come back up. Default language is English. Okay. Default time and date settings are English United Kingdom, and keyboard method is United Kingdom. Click next. Okay. So everything's gone wrong. You can't repair the computer. You've got to reinstall Windows. Alright. You install now. And we get back to, so you go to custom install, and then you get to this screen. You'll see that partition 3, it now says data on it. Okay, so you can select partition 2, just partition 2, and click next, and it will install Windows onto that partition. It will format that partition. It'll get rid of everything else. Well, it doesn't actually. It will save your Windows old files. It does save them, but that's, you know, whether you want to use them or not. We're saying worst case scenario, it's totally knackered. No data is going to last and be any good on it. So install it onto just that partition, and then when it loads up again, go into Control Panel, Backup, and underneath Backup is Restore from Image. Click Restore from Image and select D drive data, Windows hard drive recovery, and it will bring you back to where you left off. So I reckon you should do this backup once a month onto that other drive, onto that other partition. Do that once a month, and then you've always got it. So if anything ever goes wrong, you can go back and just restore from that image, and it will restore your Windows, and then you won't have any issues. So right, thanks very much. I'm going to be coming back in a bit, and I'm going to run Jolie on this live, so you can see Jolie running, because I'll be doing the installation at the customer's home. So I'm not going to record that, obviously, because there's personal data that goes onto it, and I can't put that onto publish it on YouTube. But I can then give them the option, because I can give them the live demonstration and say, right, so you've got two choices. You can either go ahead and we'll install this, and get rid of the Windows that I've put on here now, or you can go to Windows and buy a license, and then everything's above board, and everyone's happy. Right, I'll see you soon. If you do have any worries, any problems, you need somebody to take a look at a machine that's broken down, please get in touch with us. All the details are at the bottom underneath the screen here. You'll be able to get us on Facebook, on the website, email, phone us. Okay, thanks very much. Bye now.